Hi, my name is Gail Mathias and I am the Senior Lecturer and Course Leader on BA Honours Craft and Material Practices at Arts University Plymouth. Our Craft and Material Practices course blends contemporary design, experimentation and innovation so our students can work towards a sustainable future for craft in a changing world. You'll learn traditional making methods as well as cutting-edge digital techniques. From ceramics to glass, metal and woodwork, you will have the opportunity to explore a wide range of materials, and we'll be encouraging you to experiment as much as possible to help you identify your unique creative voice. You will engage with live briefs and opportunities to exhibit your work to a professional standard. Collaborate with innovative makers, explore international showcases, exhibit at events such as New Designers, Mount Edgecombe, Make Southwest, and engage with renowned names like Caroline Broadhead, Elliot Walker, Professor Neil Brownsword, and more. Explore work experience opportunities with Eden Project and Wave Glass in Murano, Venice. You'll work in open studios alongside other creatives who share your passion, collectively working towards careers as ceramicists, glass artists, sculptors, educators, and more. We invested $8 million in our craft, design and fabrication workshops, where you'll spend most of your time. For example, the university has recently invested in a new cutting-edge, energy-efficient electrical furnace for melting glass. You'll have access to specialised spaces for ceramics, metals and woodwork, including facilities for slip casting, throwing and raku, welding and wood turning. Our Fab Lab houses a wide range of digital equipment, such as 3D printers and laser cutters, with extensive technical support. We strongly recommend coming to an open day or taking our virtual tour to take a look for yourself. Plymouth is an artistically vibrant city. It's a haven for aspiring creatives. The city is a culturally rich community that nurtures personal and professional growth in a safe and affordable environment, with a dynamic cultural scene including museums, galleries, shopping and indie cafes, as well as stunning natural landscapes. Plymouth seamlessly combines urban living with outdoor adventures. From easy and fast connections to major cities such as Bristol and London to tranquil seaside scenery, it's all within walking distance of the Arts University Plymouth. Join us at Arts University Plymouth and transform your passion for art into a thriving career. Unleash your creative potential, dive into limitless possibilities, and become part of a vibrant community shaping the future of contemporary art. To find out more about our Craft and Material Practices course, follow the link in the description and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.